Hey YouTube, so Chinese diesel heater, my way, pretty simple. I don't know why everybody makes it so complicated. It's literally right here. So many times I've seen people drill holes into this beautiful little box. You know, honestly, when I bought this box, I was like, why am I gonna drill holes in it when I can use it for something else? It's weather tight. The diesel heater can stay inside of it and just put it outside the vehicle. So let me show you what I have. Here's my Chinese diesel heater. It's super simple. Place the part. It's literally the same amount of time it takes to hook up with everything else, okay? I decided to go with a long DC cord for the battery, or to hook up to someone else's battery, or it felt like the right thing to do to go this long. So I'm gonna hook it up to my battery. Are we still being timed here? It's the same amount of time it takes to start up any one of these diesel heaters. We see we have a little fuel tank right over here. Quick disconnect. All right. We've got a Pelican 1050 series with the fuel pump inside of it on a 45-degree angle, foam inside of it to keep it quiet. The tubing disconnect right there. It does not leak. Boom. The disconnects allow me to keep it primed the entire time. There's power. There's fuel in the line. You just turn it on, put this in the tent while it's warming up. Let's go to phase 2, the hose. Tighten that right up. That goes to the rooftop tent. That goes to the styrofoam insert I have here that I'll be placing once the window goes up and down. That simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.